Hi, my name is Joseph Jones, Chief Operating Officer here at USDTL. And our team here at USDTL is honored to announce the publication of a recent manuscript in the Journal of Perinatology entitled Using Umbilical Cord Tissue to Identify Prenatal Ethanol Exposure and Co-Exposure to Other Commonly Misused Substances. Fetal alcohol spectrum disorders were first described a little over 50 years ago, and it feels as if very little progress has been made in the prevention and treatment of this 100% preventable, 100% unnecessary, and yet debilitating condition. A diagnosis of FASD is very difficult in most cases. Therefore, an objective measure of the presence of alcohol metabolites accumulated during the prenatal period may prove to be very helpful. Early identification and intervention are two distinct complementary strands. Timely identification is critical to initiate early intervention in order to take advantage of the infant's neuroplasticity. Currently, there is very little data in the scientific literature describing the prevalence of prenatal ethanol biomarkers, and even less data describing the prevalence of other substances when ethanol biomarkers are found. In one of the more recent studies in the literature that reported mothers self-reported the use of ethanol during the prenatal period, 40% of these ethanol users also self-reported the use of other substances. However, in our study, we found that 58% of our specimens that were positive for ethanol biomarkers also contained other substances of abuse. We know the dangers of prenatal ethanol exposure, but there is very little data that evaluates any potential additive or mitigating effects of substance combinations. The goal of our study was to add to the body of literature to document the prevalence of the presence of prenatal ethanol biomarkers in our testing population, along with the prevalence of co-exposure to other substances of abuse. If you would like a copy of the journal article, you may call Client Services at the number below or follow this link to download a copy of this open access paper. Thank you.